So today I'm trying to finish my master set of Civildraft. I've got a lot of it already. And basically these ones are the only ones that I'm missing. There are a few that I'm not quite so sure about. Like, for example, Road NATO. I think I got that in the promo, and I don't know if there's a non-holo version in the card game. And for example, Matt the Destroyer of Architects Blueprint Foil. It has the same number as this one, so I don't think there's a non-holo version. But just in case, I've left a spot there for it. And hopefully I can get all the ones that I'm missing. I have 4 more booster packs. I mean, not booster boxes left. And hopefully this is enough to finish it. Let's start with the first pack. And let's see what we get. Storytime with Matt, Hard Hat, Super, Happy Funland. Pretty sure I already have that one. I don't have it in foil. Look at that. Okay, that's the first one that I needed. Thumbnail. Artist call, already have it. Engitopia Blueprint Foil. 59. That's gotta be foil, non-foil. That one goes right there. Realcivilengineer. Okay, so I have it's a good first pack. Heck yeah. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. That right there. Okay. Pack 1. Got Bridge Review, Bush Tax, Editor Scarecrow. Pretty sure I already have that. Yep. Dynamite Beaver, Architect's Lair, Blueprint Hollow. That one I'm not so sure of. No, I don't. Awesome. 2 for 2. It's 2 packs with all cards that I needed. Okay. Hopefully we can keep this luck up. Stair City, The Incident. Got all of these, pretty sure. The only one I'm not so sure of is the Beevils. Yeah, I have them. Dang it. Okay, luck is run out. See if we can get it back. Fish NATO, edited bird. Yeah, got all of those. Oh my gosh, that's practically the same pack. You know what I haven't got is that one green. Oh, I need him. I haven't gotten that green equipment card. High proficiency or something like that it's called. It's green, it's got like arrows on it. And I also need editor bird. It goes right here, I believe. Some of the cards I'm missing. Patty's Bone. Perfect. That's the one that I needed. And I think those other two right behind it I need too. 95, 94. Boom. Oh, this one goes 96. Oh wait, no, it does go here. These are the golden hard hats right there. Okay. Editor bird foil. I think I'm missing. Yep. Boom. And then matte foil. Missing him too. Perfect. All right, I know I have him mod team. I know I'm missing this. I couldn't get any of them. Oh wait, no, I have it. Never mind. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. All right. Matte. Do I have this matte in foil? I don't. The secret rare in foil and the shaft. I don't have any of the shaft. Okay, hold on. Hold on, one at a time. Okay, let's go to the very end. Here it is. Oh my gosh, I was hoping to get this one. And then the shaft is 61. So it'd go here, and then the foil one goes here. Oh. All right. That is box number 1 out of the 4 that I still have. Pretty successful. I'll see you on part 2.